power turbo diesel engines that are going to be pushing us at speeds of approximately 60 to 70 miles an hour today on our lovely Lower Niagara River. Underneath Niagara Falls, actually separating the Niagara Falls from that upper Niagara River, everybody. So currently we're making our way further up the gorge here. You're going to start to see a slight change in that white water the more further we make it up. Currently up to some class 1 white water rapids. If you're wondering how deep these waters are right here, it's approximately 90 feet. And then all the earthy green color, our water comes from those fine salt minerals eroding in off the sides of our gorge, giving that nice turquoise tint. No, this is not from pollution, if you're wondering. Alright, this large bridge you guys see above us is one of our 4 main border crossings going from America to Canada. This is known as our Lewiston-Queenston Bridge. It actually stands at a whopping 350 feet tall, which is twice as high as Niagara Falls itself. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, up on that right side in Canada, this is actually our first ever hydroelectric power plant created in 1921 by Sir Adam Beck. So what this place does is you can see some of that white water gathering around the bottom tunnels there. All that water is being recycled into that plant and then pushed back out into hydroelectric power. You can see all that concrete above the water. Well, there's actually twice as much below the water as you can see above there.
I feel the turbulence.
Alright, in America, you know we like to do everything bigger and it matters most. On that left side, and on the American side, this is our Robert Moses Parkway power plant. This runs all the way from our Lower Niagara, all the way through Atlanta, Georgia.
Electricity. Electricity is where they're making hydropower. Water. The electricity is generated in water.
Around the back of the folks, you're going to see more white water and just a lot more of it. Straight ahead around this bend are going to be those class 3, 4, and 5 white water rapids. First step's going to be stopping through those class 3 white water rapids. What we like to call our shower waves, everybody. I want to come up here and shut this window actually so we don't get any water in here. Look. These are going to be our class 4 and 5 rapids. And these are what we like to call our Devil's Hole, everybody. This is what we're going to be playing around in today. Actually going to be our playground, if you will. Alright folks, and now you can see on that left side that this water has increased immensely. These are Class 5 whitewater rapids, what we like to call Devil's Hole. Okay folks, this is what we're going to be making runs through for our trip today. Okay, so for that I'm going to be going over some whitewater positions with us, alright? This part's very important. So first step, I want you guys to all scoot all the way back in that seat for me. Make sure that back is flat up against that backrest. Yep. Make sure those little ones, we got those heads off of that silver bar, okay? Make sure all the way back in that seat. Alright folks, and I see some of those cameras out, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure we got at least one hand on that bar as we're making our way through, alright? And also, if you guys' feet can touch that floor, make sure they are flat on that floor. If not, that's okay. Alright, and last but not least folks, after we make our run through each weight train, I want you guys to give me a big old thumbs up here. Make sure we're all doing good, having a great time, okay? And in the case of an emergency or anything like that, folks, just give me a little head tap and I'll come talk to you guys and make sure we're doing alright. Okay, is everyone ready to have some fun?
Yeah! Hold on. We're spinning.
Look at this. Look at the waves.
Look at this.
Get a little taste of these splash.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
Sandra.
Deg-degan juga sih.
There you go, coming in. Alright, thumbs up everyone. How's that first little start up run, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, awesome. Gonna try that again for real this time.
One more time.
Okay. Where are we going now? We're going
Alright,
sideways.
so for this time we're actually gonna head up for our first official
I'll send you
climb
the
up
video,
and
don't worry.
over Devil's Hole. And then our
I got
first
a full video.
official drop
I'll send it
down
to you.
into the weight train. Woo!
I'm ready. Hold on tight now.
For this first climb, we're going to use our little technique. This is that pop, drop, and slide, everybody. Alright everybody, and it is now time for those white water positions. Make sure we are hanging on tight all the way back in those seats, okay? Alright, here we go folks. Got some big water coming up this time.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to go see the journal thing. Alright, how we doing up there? Thumbs up from everybody.
Yeah.
All right, folks, we're going to try that again, okay? We're going to get up for another climb, up and over, and another drop down.
Flashlights on. They got the flashlight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the person. Yeah, your flashlight. Your flashlight is. Give it a record again. Yep. Turn it sideways. Touch it right there. Ah. There you go.
Gonna be doing another Drew Here we go. Listen to those 50 on the
Turbo diesel.
Here we go.
Whoa. We're on the water.
All right, just like last time, folks. Hanging on tight in our white water positions. For another drop into our Class 5 whitewater rapids. We got some more huge water coming up there, folks. Here we go, right up the gut this time. 3, 2, 1. Hey, shaking on, taking on too. All right, guys, how we doing up there? Big thumbs up. Still doing good? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. All right, everybody, we are going to take a break from these Class 5 whitewater rapids and head further up our gorge to see some a little bit bigger. We're going to go to that Niagara Whirlpool over those Class 6 whitewater rapids, folks.
Send it to you later. No problem. You're welcome. forward to the Niagara Whirlpool up there. Gonna be seeing a lot more of that white water rushing around. Actually, hiking trails that we have on each side of our gorge here, if you're wondering, you might see some hikers throughout the remainder of the trip as well. But you can enter those through our Niagara Gorge State Park and our Whirlpool State Park, if you guys did not know.
feel free to ask me any questions after the trip if you're ever curious about that kind of stuff. Up there. All right, everybody, and I would love to welcome you to our 150-foot deep Niagara Whirlpool.
Niagara
150
Home of our Class 6 whitewater rapids.
Wow.
All right, just above there, you do see that large wire going across the top of our Whirlpool. This is actually one of our oldest attractions here on our lower Niagara. Been around for over 100 years. It goes from Canada to Canada. This is actually our Spanish aero car, or gondola, if you will. But I don't know about you folks, but I would not want to ride on that 100 years ago.
100 years ago.
Where is this? Where's the gondola?
That would be right above us now if you guys cannot see that before.
Up there. See the wires?
So
The
that
wires
thing
up
makes
there.
trips throughout the day constantly.
That's where the gondola goes. Or used to go.
Years ago.
100 years ago, probably.
It's still there until now.
Who knows?
All right, folks. And I want to come up front and give you guys some information on
The wire is for what?
it. All right, everybody. So, without further ado, welcome to our Class 6 whitewater rapids, also known as our Himalayas, okay? So these rapids are actually coming down from Niagara Falls itself, which is just about a mile down the bend there. So we wouldn't be able to see it, but the gorge kind of makes that slight bend and it blocks it, but all this water is rushing down from the falls at speeds of 30 miles an hour, believe it or not. So powerful, it makes that counterclockwise motion around, giving it that famous name, that Niagara Whirlpool, everybody. So these rapids actually reach heights of 25 feet tall on that max power. Pretty crazy, and this is as close as you can get, folks. Actually, some boiling action we'll see right there, and that's actually how strong that surface tension water gets pulled down. And we'll take trees out talking the size of telephone poles down for days, weeks, months, years. Sometimes they will never even resurface, folks. Pretty crazy, pretty crazy.
It is.
Gonna go play around those Class 5s a little bit more, everybody.
Is I it?
It's okay. Yeah, I go.
Alright guys, up front of you, can I have you stand up for a second? I'm just gonna get that camera. Just stand up. Thank you. Take me 2 seconds. Thank you. Alright. Sorry guys. You're good. You comfortable?
What is it? Lozenge?
Yeah, how?
Is it apple flavor?
I think citrus flavor.
Citrus. I got some back at the hotel. I got some in my bag.
Yeah.
I got some later.
Getting thirsty.
Yeah, you need a bottle of water. Some green tea, maybe. Thank you.
But at least this is helps for now.
I've got a snack in my bag later for later. I got the stuff later.
Alright guys, and we are slowly coming up on another run through our Devil's Hole, okay? Make sure we all on our whitewater positions once again for our third run through our Class 5 whitewater rapids. should pick up a little more water this time, folks. I don't think we've seen enough yet. And we got big water coming up in 3, 2, 1. Making our way on through, not done yet. Alright, that just about does it now. Alright guys, I see those thumbs in the air. How we doing up there? Alright, what are we thinking about our bonus run, folks? Should we do one more? One more? Alright, let's do it. Pop, drop, and slide on up. Here we go. Alright, and we are slowly approaching our last and final grand finale run through our Class 5 Whitewater Donuts Double Soul. Loud and proud up there. Is everybody ready? There we go, right up the gut this time, folks. Gonna pick up some more big water. Here we go.
Turbulence. On the wave crash.
All right, and give yourselves a round of applause, everybody, for surviving our Class 5 already. You guys did a wonderful job today. Thank you very much. Still got a nice lovely boat right back to our dock. Gonna see a little more white water on the way back there.
We usually do a mix of
I do everything.
yeah, but today still have that.
So what?
The piece of the cruise,
I don't know.
for the Niagara Falls, the big one.
This is my first time here, so I'm traveling all over the place to make money on videos. This is how you make money nowadays. Still just not yet. In the future. You gotta start with this.
to kick this ship off in one last final 360 degree turn. Round of applause up there, everybody. For you guys as well for doing such a great job today. Congratulations, everybody.
Still going. Almost at the 30 minutes.
All right, and without further ado, folks, that just about does it today. If you guys had a good trip, once you guys watching this, we got Coach Lamb behind the wheel. Other than that, guys, once we get you up to dock, we're taking you off for that back row, working my way up front. And those life jackets out to the flight, we'll take care of those. You don't have to worry about them. But other than that, folks, thank you for joining us today on Whirlpool Jump Boat Tours. You guys are all fantastic, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Far too kind.
Yep.
Should I stop you?
Yeah.
I don't know. Until we get to the dock. Until we get to the dock. Keep it going. I'm going to make a long video. That's how you...
Just, you don't need to edit it, or you still...
I should edit it.
That's going to be
Well, my first video, no editing. It's a little rough, but you'll see it later. Do you use YouTube? You're on YouTube?
I am on YouTube, but I don't
I mean, if you look me up, I'll send you a link. I just went to Miami,
You went to Miami?
Yeah, about 3 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah. I'm thinking about going to Niagara Falls. It's very beautiful
Well,
too.
that's Arizona, right?
Yeah.
I could go there next if I wanted to.
Yeah.
You know, it takes a little bit of money, but this is why I'm doing this.
It's okay, it's okay.
Charges your credit card. that's the American way. Buy now, pay later. That's the American way. You can go anywhere in the world. You got the credit.
As long as you have.
As long as you got the credit. No job. Credit. Credit's American. For yourself. Credit cards. It's all going on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, going all over the internet. I can edit that out. I can edit that out.
We said wait a minute.
I know.
Right?
Don't want to give away too much information. My business secrets need to stay safe. Where's Canada? Is that Canada?
Canada's all over on that.
Canada's all the way on that side.
Yeah.
So,
The river's the only thing that separates it.
river's the only thing that separates them. That's something. Oh, there's the dock. We're almost there. By the 33 minutes, we'll be there probably. Then I'll stop.
Good job, guys.
Yay, we're coming in. The other group waiting.
Here we come to the end. We're almost at the dock. Oh, there's the next group. You see the next groups?
They have camera over there, maybe.
Of course. I mean, that's for security. They got a camera over there too.
Yeah, or if you want to get
They want to check
video.
up on the employee, make sure he's doing his job.
No, or maybe if we want video, they can send it to us, then we have to pay.
Exactly. Well, I mean, they send it to you with email or YouTube or whatnot. There's no more videotapes.
Yeah, exactly.
No more DVDs either. It's all on the internet. I think I'll stop right here.
Yeah.